Okay, are you ready to make some noise with this? It's a buzzer. It makes noise. And I think it's hilarious that it says, remove seal after washing. Like you've got some pet seal that you need to bathe and then, I don't know, get rid of afterwards. Anyway, what you do is you get this. It's got a long leg and a short leg, right? Long leg, short leg. The long leg is called long because it's longer than the short leg. You plug it into your breadboard, being careful that the positive one is going to go to pin 13. So I'll put this in pin 13, which I think is that one. And that needs to go to the positive one. Yes, maybe I'll put them in both at the same time so I don't mess it up. And the other end just goes to ground. So positive end to pin 13, the other one to ground. The program that we are going to run is Blink. Yes. This buzzer will buzz if this thing is positive and this is ground. Then it will buzz. Yeah. So if this is 0 volts and that's 5 volts, it will buzz. Just to prove that, I'm going to put this into 5 volts, even though I just told you that's not where it goes, and this one into ground, and it makes an excruciating noise. Cool. So it'll buzz as long as one end is positive and the other one is negative. You know, ground. So if I put this into pin 13, it's running Blink. The pin 13 pin goes on and then off, on and then off. This Blink program, although it says LED built-in, LED built-in is actually pin 13. Pin 13 and LED built-in are exactly the same thing. They are the same thing. Yes, this LED and that pin 13 are the same. So this Blink program turns pin 13 on and then pin 13 off. So let's plug it to pin 13. On, off, on, off. On, wait, off, wait. On, wait, off, wait. On, yeah. Oh, it sounds very bad. Beautiful. So taking control, a buzzer. And the buzzer is also cool because you could use that in an if statement for a button. So the button triggers the buzzer, or a remote control to trigger the buzzer. If the temperature goes above a certain point, it triggers the buzzer. You know, like a smoke alarm kind of thing. It also, this is a pretty cool example. Examples, where was it? Communication? No. Analog? No. Digital? Yes. Digital tone melody is a cool example. There are other examples there, but I haven't played with them. This one has nothing in the loop, which is different in that it won't continuously do something, this program. It'll just do this. Oh, whoa, okay. It'll do this setup and then it will stop. So it'll only play this song one time. It uses the tone thing. The tone function, sorry, to play on pin 8 a certain frequency for a certain duration. Okay, certain frequency for a certain duration. Their durations are set in this array that I won't get into. But if I run it, then I'll compile first and upload. Beep, beep, beep. That was not the actual program. Done uploading. It didn't seem to do anything, did it? And even when I restart it with the restarting button, it does do a chirp, but that's not actually the point of the program. The point of the program is that it would do it on pin 8. It is coincidental that it just chirped then. So it's not any programming. Anyway, pin 8, if I restart this, isn't that beautiful? And you can write your own song here. If you are a musician who knows music and how music works, which I am not a musician and I do not know how music works, I'm just going to set them all to C4. How interesting. Actually, yeah, I don't know, C4, whatever. Maybe A4. There you go, like the sheet of paper. I think this is middle A on a piano, maybe. I could run that. Anyway, you can have a play around, see if it works. Just try not to annoy people too much with the buzzing because it is an excruciating sound.